I'm David Frazier, and for the Kips Bay Palm Beach Show House, we were tasked with designing the laundry room, bathroom, and family entry. I think in the design world, the Kips Bay Show House is really the pinnacle. The most important factor in designing the space was really creating a space that would be memorable for people that are visiting, have a nod to that kind of classic Palm Beach style with lots of pattern, lots of color. So the Primestones products really are two of the most important design features that we included, and we selected those very early on in the design process. So we selected the Soapstone Grigio, which is a really beautiful, warm green with subtle veining. And in our bathroom, we selected a beautiful Calacatta extra Viola. Working with Primestones was really a dream to work with.